you and I have an incredibly hardworking friend who's completely underappreciated and is in serious trouble. Our friend is the relentless worker that visited each plant for this fruit salad, moving a sufficient amount of pollen between flowers to produce the beautiful fruits for our markets. Now, one common fruit salad is the result of more than 1,000 individual visits by pollinators and bees to these flowers. Now, there's around 200 or so blueberries in a given pint. So, if you just eat the whole thing the way my 5-year-old did recently, that's 400 to 600 pollinator visits right there. Each and every single year, pollinators make trillions and trillions of visits to flowers to produce the beautiful fruits and vegetables that are in our markets. Unfortunately, populations of pollinators are in crisis. For example, the monarch butterfly, a charismatic indicator species of ecosystem health. If current trends continue, a viable population of the eastern and the western monarch could be wiped out within your and my lifetimes. Honeybees, bumblebees, birds, and monarchs. Habitat loss is a leading cause in the decline of these species. Now, since speaking on this topic at VERGE back in 2015 about how solar sites, like this one, could have been designed to stack multiple benefits around and under the array area, several pilot projects have been developed. Let's take a look. Pollinator-friendly solar arrays aren't just an urgently needed way to help save the bees and other important species. The deep-rooted native plants actually provide better performance. They're more resilient to droughts and downpours. They add organic matter to the soil and improve the quality of agricultural soils. They sequester more carbon, and they reduce surface temperatures, potentially increasing solar energy efficiency and output. Now, working in coordination with Fresh Energy, sustainability leaders like Steve Levitsky of Purdue Farms have sharpened their pencils and done the math and are helping to accelerate the rate of adoption for standards that are used to determine whether solar arrays are pollinator-friendly or not. And these initial projects, as well as other systems and initiatives that support pollinator-friendly solar, have been undertaken by several energy, cooperative, and corporate leaders. Let's give them a round of applause. Today, there are pollinator-friendly solar arrays in 8 states totaling more than 2,500 acres. That's land equivalent to more than 1.5 million homes having a 6 by 12-foot pollinator garden and maintaining it for 25 years. Now, to help accelerate the rate of deployment of solar outside of the Southwest, there's been a lot of sites that have been designed to co-locate with agriculture. So, yes, it's clear and proven. We can have grazing on these sites. And yes, we can grow lettuce and broccoli and kale under and around these arrays. But we have lots of cows. We have plenty of sheep. And we love it, but we've kind of had it up to here with kale. We're not going to run out. Pollinator-friendly landscapes aren't just straightforward and cost-effective to develop and maintain, but they're also urgently needed in agriculture. You see, helping the bees has even more benefits. Public benefit-minded innovators have developed a national standard and certification process for solar honey. Solar honey is the honey that's produced on or adjacent to pollinator-friendly solar arrays. That's a solar array planted with high-quality forage for bees and diverse, low-growing, abundant native plants. And these beekeepers are here at VERGE. I encourage you to meet them. And not only that, but give them your business card, because they will be raffling off jars of solar honey, the first harvest of solar honey anywhere in the United States, to VERGE attendees every single 5 minutes throughout the networking reception. This is the honey that was recently featured in the US Department of Energy's Sunshot booth at Solar Power International. To learn more about pollinator-friendly solar and solar honey, drop me an email. I'm in the VERGE app. Download and install that, or just send me an email, and I'll send you some information about the webinars. And then finally, did you smile, laugh, or learn something about our hard-working pollinator friends just now? Then use those hands and share this message. Thank you.